Egg treat. Look at that silly tongue. Come on, it's okay. Oh, you goose. Back your head up, maybe. Yeah, that's what I thought. There you go. Oh, it's okay. Are you gonna try and eat the egg? Oh, he's gonna try and eat the shell. No? Oh. Usually he just licks it up. Yeah, like that. Oh, goody. Oh, my hand is shaky. It's still there. You want the eggshell? Most of it's on the plate. Oh, Romeo, my goodness. I guess he does want the shell. No? You ate it last time. Most of the good stuff is on the plate. Hello. Oh, you're stepping in it. There's no more in there, hon. Oh. It's on your feet. You ham. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's back there where your feet are, see? See? There you go. Oh my. You got a little something on your face. Look at that tongue, it's ridiculous. Oh, he found the rest of it. Oh, hon, you can't bite the plate. You're not gonna get me that way. Do you want the shell? No. And the rest of it's right here, see? Oh, hon, you can't bite it. You can't bite the plate. Is that it? Are you done? That's all. No, he's got to finish it. Oh. No, that's it. Okay. Alright, let's go back inside.